What's up, everybody? The 1B here again with another thumbnail creation video. Again on a Twitch VOD playthrough. This time we are going to be making a thumbnail for my Shatter playthrough. And I have my start screen ready to go. If you've been watching these already, you know that I have a template for these. This was DEF CON's, the last one I did. I'm going to go ahead and just remove those out. And so this one is a little cluttery. It seems a little cluttery. Let's go ahead and remove the borders just to kind of see. Might be able to shrink it a little bit. Maybe some of those cleaner edges, maybe. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the title down into the bottom right. There's 2 episodes on this one. So we will go ahead and move all down over to the right. And let's just go ahead and bump it up right against this border here. I'm going to change the color of this one just because I can't see it. All right, and then we bump it up against there. And then I do 20 pixels. See it counting right there. Could be beneficial to go with my black on this one, even. Let's see if I can shrink this. The white stands out still. Maybe we just add a stroke to it. Stroke to black. Okay. So like 3 pixels or something. I don't know if that does it either. Can I add a gradient to a stroke? Man. What if I choose a white and this orange? Oh, but that orange would be really good on the outer part. I am not mad at that at all. I think it really makes it stand out, matter of fact. Side. There's better. Change that to 45. No. I think linear's good. Center's good. If I do that at 2. Reverse. Odd, isn't it? Question is, does it make it actually stand out? Currently, there's so many colors playing on this right now. So let's do the first thing. Or one of the first things. Let's change the text on tutorial to episode 1. Thank you. Episode 1. I don't know if that's standing out good enough. There's a little bit of metal around, like here. Wonder if a gray would help with that. No. Selection. Oh, I have too much selected. There we go. And then just don't like it. I just don't like the way it looks. What if it would be better if it was white and black? Leave that. I can deal with that one. I like that one. It's like kind of a steel look. Metal. And then let's go back to the borders. We're going to grab this one. Now that we're not using that, the question becomes, do we want that to be like that? That color. What does that look? That stands out pretty good. I should think about using gradients in my borders. That's not what I did. Can't do it. Do. All right. So we have to leave that for a second. File, export, quick export. Go to backlog gaming. We'll do a folder. Shatter. Open Shatter. Shatter. Thumbnail. Episode 1. Save. Down here. That to it too. Export. Quick export. 2. Save. File. Save it, I guess. Just to double check that I have both of them. 1 and 2. Cancel. All right, so that one took a little bit longer to mess with. That was just because I didn't like the way that the 1B Plays episode title part shows up. Yeah, I would say that was probably one of the most difficult ones that I've had to do with this particular template. But I think it turned out pretty good. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.